Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust safety settings on PICO for Ultra. To adjust the safety settings, go to the Control Center, then Settings, then go to Camera, go to Safeguard, and now you can adjust the collision alert to either be more late or more early. You can set up play boundary by clicking on Setup. Then here, this circle is gonna be your boundary. You should look around yourself if the circle is too big. And if it is too big, you should resize it. Or if it's too small, you can also increase its size by clicking on the trigger and dragging. And when you've set the right one, click on Confirm. And then you can go to floor level, you can adjust it, and it should adjust automatically. When you look down, you should see that these dots are in the right place, and if they are not, click on Set Manually, and now you should lower your controller to the ground level. Then with the other one, click on Continue. And now it's set. Then you can go to Controller Vibration Alert. So whenever you approach the edge of the play boundary, you'll get a vibrate alert. And you can also set controller activating see-through. So if you're beyond the play boundary, see-through will be triggered. And you can also go to advanced settings and adjust the distance sensitivity, speed sense, lower fence for stationary boundary, and fast motion alert. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.